Hi guys, welcome back to Mwag's Basket. Long time no see, but we are back again, so let's celebrate that. As we rebrand, we look forward to you enjoying our lifestyle vlogs. So do make sure you like, comment, and also subscribe to our channel. Enjoy! So first of all, we're going to start with unboxing some few items, some kitchen items. Number one is this kettle that we got. It's a black electric kettle. You just plug it to the wall and you're ready to use it. So we love it so much because it just makes work in the kitchen so efficient. It comes with a plate, so you plug the plate on the wall, then just put the jug on top here. Next is this beautiful vegetable cutter. Oh my goodness, this is a piece that everyone, like an equipment where everyone needs to have it in their own kitchen. Oh my goodness, this just saves lives. This makes work easier in the kitchen, especially if you don't like chopping vegetables and you like cooking. This will really come in handy. So it comes in two parts. There's this glass bottom part and there's this upper part where you connect it. So I'm just going to show you now. So yeah, you just connect the upper part to the lower part and then plug into the wall. That's it. You're going to see how we use it because you're going to use it in this cooking video. Sometimes don't figure out life alone. Let this electric cooker be your help. So it has a pot inside, a lid, and the body itself, that is. Yeah, and that's where you put in your food before inserting it into the body that you then plug to the wall. It also has a lid that you can use. It also comes with this kind of serving spoon that you can use in cooking or serving depending on how you want it. Yeah, that's it. So our next item, wow. This one, guys, we're not ready for this. We are not late to the party. We just love to be in the party. You get it? This is an air fryer, guys. It's boxed in the, because I think because of shipment, they boxed it twice. But oh my goodness, this is an air fryer, guys. We are so excited to have this and just try out, whip up some very delicious meals from this, and even show you guys what meals you can make with this air fryer. After you plug it to the wall, it lights up on the timer part, so you get to choose whatever time you need. Also, depending on what you're making, it has options. So yeah, this is so efficient. Time for the big show now. In this video, I am going to show you how to recook your leftover rice. We are going to make stir-fried rice with chicken and some guacamole. And here is where the vegetable cutter comes in. You don't have to struggle with cutting your vegetables on the chopping board. Just clean up your vegetables and cut them in big chunks. Throw them in here, turn it on and spin the blades. That's it. Super easy and makes work pretty easy. You can see the consistency is very fine. You can just chop at any consistency that you want. So right here you can see I'm chopping some vegetables, I'm chopping some onions, I'm chopping some red pepper, some spring onions. I'm going to chop the spring onions on the chopping board first because I'm going to use that as garnish. I'm going to chop the spring onions and the dhania or coriander on the chopping board. All the vegetables are now clean and nicely chopped. So next we're just going to set them aside as we start on cleaning the chicken that we're gonna use. So we'll thoroughly clean the chicken, then pat it dry to remove excess water. We'll then chop the chicken into cubes so that we are able to marinate it well. We don't want to have them as big chunks. We also want it to look aesthetically pleasing, you can tell. So we'll just chop the chicken into cubes. First of all, we'll just dissect it because we're using chicken breast. It's advisable to use the chicken breast because these you can like cut into different shapes, even strips if you want. We'll then marinate our chicken with some salt, soy sauce, and some paprika. Once everything is nicely mixed up, we'll just set it aside for an hour before we start cooking. And if you realize we didn't put in a lot of spices because we don't want to colorize the chicken too much. So here I'm setting up the pressure cooker before we start. As you can see, I'm removing it was on the rice timer. I'm putting it on the chicken timer as I wait for it to heat up before we start cooking. So I'll first start by adding in my olive oil, then add the onions once the oil is ready. I'll cook the onions until they are well caramelized and brown. I'll then add our chicken, then cook for a few minutes before we add in other vegetables. As the chicken cooks, we'll go ahead and start prepping the guac. So we have this avocado. Ooh, this is so good. Look at that. So we'll start prepping the guac by cutting up the avocado and mashing it into a thick paste. We'll then add some ground spice to our chicken, that is some Royco cubes, some salt, some paprika, and some curry powder. We'll then add our red peppers and let it cook for a few minutes. I'll then add my leftover rice and mix everything up. At this point, I'll now add my spring onion and coriander. This looks so good. Just look at the colors, the red peppers, the green, the rice. This looks so yummy. It doesn't just look good, but it definitely tastes so good. I'm going to now unplug my pressure cooker and turn it off as I do the guac. Guys, remember we already did the onions and mashed our avocado, so now I'm just going to finely chop my tomatoes because you don't want your guac to have like roughly chopped vegetables. You want it to be smooth and creamy and nice. So here I'm just going to finely chop my tomatoes so that they can mix well with the avocado. I'm then going to mix everything up, that is the tomatoes, onions, coriander, and the avocado, and then I'm also going to freshly ground some pepper and add some salt on top. I'll mix everything up. Look at that, guys. So yum. Everything is ready now. Let's do some plating because we don't want to eat nice food with really bad presentation. So we're just going to put our rice in a bowl and just do a nice bowl of rice and add some guac on the side. We're going to add some cilantro on top as garnish. Guys, this meal is everything. If you do this on a Saturday afternoon or a Sunday afternoon after church, your family is gonna thank you. This for sure tasted so good. Do try this recipe and let us know how it turned out in the comment section. See you on the next one. Bye.